A quick look at a garden art studio by Sanctum Garden Studios. This compact 3 meter by 2.4 meter art studio by Sanctum Garden Studios is part of their Hampton Range, a pre-designed, cost-effective option that doesn't compromise on quality or style. The client needed a bright, comfortable space to paint still life subjects from life. Inside, floor-to-ceiling glazing fills the room with daylight, while the white-grey walls bounce light beautifully across the studio. The internal finish is smooth MDF, giving a clean base for custom paintwork. With the door placed to suit his working position, the layout supports a focused, undisturbed, creative routine. Externally, the building features Western Red Cedar side panels paired with Anthracite Grey windows and trims, tying in smartly with the bifolds of the main house. The studio fits neatly into the garden, installed in a day and ready to use after electrical connection. For artists and creatives looking for a stylish and budget-friendly space, the Hampton is a smart choice. Contact Sanctum Garden Studios to start planning your own project, or explore more of their work on the garden room and annex guide. You can read the full article using the link in the video description.